All right, what is going on today, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you are new, hit that subscribe button down below, like the video if you enjoy, and comment any questions you have for me or video topics you want me to cover in the future.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency, so make sure you subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Today, I want to go over top SMMA outreach methods. If you can't afford to spend all this money on paid ads, how are you going to get clients? So I want to go over just a couple of things that have worked for me for the X amount of years that I've been running my agency, and things that have just really worked and allowed me to streamline things and obviously scale tremendously. Number one is organic. You need to have a personal brand wrapped around the agency. Either join communities on Facebook groups, having an Instagram that's constantly posting content, a TikTok, LinkedIn does help as well. Just really posting things that are relatable to business owners who you're ideally targeting, okay? And it doesn't have to be about your follower count. It doesn't have to be about your press that you're getting. It doesn't have to be about a verification check mark. I never had a verification check mark, and I still did very well for myself. It's about posting the right content. It's about obviously having enough social proof and giving people value. So the first outreach method is honestly just not really outreach. It's about building a sustainable brand that you can always sell to. Second thing is gonna be Loom videos. So shooting Loom videos for businesses, e-com sites, local businesses, service-based, coaches, consultants, going over their funnel, going over their current website, their current offer, see how you can enhance it, giving advice. Like, you can literally shoot a Loom video, which is a screen record video, going over all these things that they're currently running. If you go to a person's Facebook page right now and you scroll to the bottom left, it's public. You can just go to page transparency and you can view somebody's ad library. So you can evaluate their ads, talk about the copy, talk about the creative, talk about the landing page, how you would make things better, how would you enhance the offer, how could you increase the conversion rates that they're currently getting, or maybe they're just struggling to even get a conversion at all. Trying to simplify things on that sales process for that client. And then, inside the Loom link that you send them, you can add comments to that page. And in the comments, you would post a link to a Calendly or somewhere where they can book a call. And that's worked very well for me. If I'm scrolling on Instagram and I see a brand that I want to work with, I see that they're running ads, they're not really that effective, I would then go DM them and say, hey, I shot this video for you, go check it out. And it's literally a Loom video of me going over their e-com site, me going over all the things they're not doing that they should be. And if they want to move forward and learn more and see how I can, basically catapult the business further, book a call. There's a link in the comment section. And that's how you can, get a lot of booked calls very, very easily. The third way is gonna be email scrapping. So this worked pretty well for me when I used Lemlist. Lemlist is a way for you to get you can go to Fiverr and get a bunch of emails, and then you can just email blast a ton of people in a local radius, right? So if I wanted, for example, right now I'm in Tampa, I would go on Fiverr and say, hey, listen, get me a list of business owners in a 25-mile to 30-mile radius of this exact address. And then you would get that list, and then you would upload it to Lemlist, and then you would send a blast email to all of them. And the subject line could be, Tampa business owner, or Tampa, owner of X, and then the field would be the business name from the CSV file that you would get the list from Fiverr. And then just kind of pushing what I did when I, first moved from New York to Orlando was I did a free website where it was hey, listen, we'll do your website for free, we'll redesign it, we'll do it completely free, no strings attached. And that's the way that I got a lot of people to reply to me and inquire. But then what I would do is, free website, but it comes with this service package. And, technically it's free because my ad management fee is this amount and a website costs this much. So you're basically paying zero. Technically you're not, but you are getting this amount of value for basically break even. So that's kind of the offer that I pushed for that. Number 4 was cold calling to InPerson Meeting. Okay, so I would go on Yelp, other search engines, and find local businesses, service-based businesses, restaurants, all that, right? Tattoo shops, etc., barbershops. And I would just call them, and I would look at their websites, and I would call them, hey, it's Jason, I live right on this road. I don't know if you know where that is. It's 3 minutes down the road, but I was checking out your website, and I think that there's a lot of things that I could do for you that could bring you value. And no, I'm not selling anything right now. I just would want to sit down with you for a couple of minutes if you have some time today, tomorrow, whatever. I want to be able to lock in some type of in-person meeting to get to know each other and kind of just give you some value. You know, I've been, you know, running this blah, blah, blah company for X amount of months. We've helped X amount of people. And then you could kind of go on the route of like, hey, you know, you basically would call, and then you say like, hey, listen, like, you know, I was checking out your website. I see that there's X, Y, and Z wrong with it. You know, you don't really have a clear offer. There's just a lot of things that if we were able to sit down for a couple minutes, you know, I could really help you out a ton on. I want to know if you have any availability today, tomorrow, whatever the case may be. And that's where you could basically pitch them where it's like, listen, like I'm not selling anything. I just want to sit down, you know, get to know each other, see if it's a good fit. But I have a lot of proprietary methods that have been very, you know, exclusive to me and my clients that have really helped them explode, you know, locally. And if you are the barbershop that decides to move forward with me, I can't work with any of your competitors and we can steal their traffic. Like something like that where it's like a really interesting angle. So those are kind of like the 4 biggest methods that I've used to probably, you know, really accelerate and jumpstart the agency to get it to 10K a month, because I wasn't really running paid ads. It was all organic. And then I would do the referral system, which is like number 5, which is, hey, like you're my current client. Okay, you work with me for X amount of months. Listen, things are going really well. Do you have 5 friends, you know, with their names, phone numbers? Could you put us in a group chat who would benefit from my service right now, who you know are ready to buy? And then, you know, if you have 5 clients, technically you have the ability to get 25 new warm leads who are getting sold just by association. So that's like another cool tactic that I use currently. Like there's a ton of group chats that I'm in right now where clients are always sending us referrals, and etc. And most of these clients who are in the group chats, they just want an invoice link and they just want to pay because their association to your current client sold them without you even talking to them. So it's like, yeah, it's very beneficial. So hope you guys enjoyed these outreach methods. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe. Maybe you have a current outreach method you're using right now. Maybe it's not working. Maybe I can help you fine tune it. Just comment down below any questions you have, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple 7-figure agency. For the past 4 years, I've helped generate me and my clients over $75 million, and I've been featured in Entrepreneur Magazine.